Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be setting up CAPTCHA on WP Forms. And hopefully this can help reduce the number of spam messages you get in your inbox. And we are using a disposable WordPress environment that was set up using this service. It's called InstaWP. So InstaWP allows you to quickly launch your own disposable WordPress instance in under 1 minute. It has amazing features with both a free and pro version. Plans start at $9. So go ahead and check out the website. It's instawp.io. Okay, so from WP Forms, click CAPTCHA. And a notice pops up asking us to set it up first. So click this link right here. Okay, so we have two different CAPTCHA services, but we are going to use reCAPTCHA. This is a service from Google, which is free. Now we need to select the reCAPTCHA type. I'm going to select checkbox reCAPTCHA version 2. There are also two other reCAPTCHA types that you can choose from. We need our side key and secret key from Google. At the bottom of the page, we also have a failed message and no conflict mode. And right here, there will be a preview when everything is all set up. So let's go over to Google's reCAPTCHA website to get the side key as well as the secret key. Okay, so this link will be on the screen as well as in the description. Under label, you just want to go ahead and type a name. Let's call this example. Okay, now let's get our domain name. So just highlight your domain name, leave out the HTTPS and everything else. Copy this and go back to the website. And you just want to paste this under domains. Now you also want to accept the reCAPTCHA terms of service. Then scroll to the bottom and we have the option to send alerts to owners. We are going to leave this as is. Once you're done, click submit. Oh, I forgot to select a CAPTCHA type. I'm going to select reCAPTCHA v2. And I'm going to leave it as I'm not a robot checkbox. So I'm going to scroll back to the bottom and click submit one more time. Okay, so these are the keys. So you can either manually copy or click copy side key, then go back and paste it in the side key box and go back, copy the secret key, then go back and paste it in the secret key field. Okay, so scroll down and click save settings. Just make sure that you don't want to select any of these options. We don't need to select no conflict mode. Okay, so if we scroll down and take a look at the bottom of the page, we should see a preview of our CAPTCHA. So this is just a preview, it's not clickable, but I'm gonna make sure that I already have a contact form on a page to show you an example. So let's load this up, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Okay, so there's no form as yet, but I'm gonna edit this with Elementor to add a form. I'm gonna add a WP form. So let me select the simple contact form. Okay, so now let us view the page in an incognito window. All right, so if I scroll all the way down to the bottom now, let's see if it shows. All right, so it does not show. This is because we need to enable reCAPTCHA and save the form. So let's go back to the other tab with the form. Click OK. Now we need to reload the page and click reCAPTCHA to enable it. Click OK. Okay, so now reCAPTCHA is enabled. Click save once you're done. It's at the top right. And let's go back to the previous page. Let's open our website in a new incognito window one more time. So once this page opens, I'm going to scroll all the way down. So here's the CAPTCHA. With the checkbox, it says I am not a robot. Okay, so hopefully this can reduce spam in your inbox. And I really hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.